Hi there, welcome to episode 116 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show you a Lydian scale, just a bit of introduction to the Lydian, or rather the Lydian mode. And this mode is the fourth mode of the major scale. So really simply that means that if you're playing up a major scale, say the A major scale, like that, it's a scale that starts on the fourth note and just continues up. So this is the D Lydian mode. You can hear how it is a major scale. It only has one note that's different from the regular major scale. That's the fourth note. Regular major scale is like this. It's the first five notes of the regular major scale. It's the first five notes of the Lydian scale. So the fourth note is raised, and it gives it a very interesting and distinctive sound. Joe Satriani uses it all the time. A lot of his songs have a very Lydian sound because they're based on this mode. Steve Vai does also, speaking of other guitar heroes. But Joe Satriani especially really uses it. And let me show you the two-octave version. Now I'll show you just in D. So over the D note you can hear. And down. And you can probably hear that fourth note, how that difference makes it just a slightly different, and it's a nice sound. And the way you can really hear this being used, say a song is in the key of A, and then it goes to the key of D, then it goes changes chords to D. We're still in the key of A, but now if we play a D major scale over that D, we'll use that Lydian mode. Before we're going back to the A. Or the D again. You can hear that one note is just a very unusual sound. Back to A. Just soloing a bit in A. Again, going to D. So again, we're still in the key of A. We're just putting a D note under it and then using the D Lydian scale. It's very interesting because it's major, but it has that really interesting interval in it. It was a nice scale to know. Let me play through the scale once again. I'll do it in D at the 10th fret. And I'll accentuate that fourth note. Very nice just to break out of ruts a little bit and to know, like, if you are soloing in the key of A and you go to the D chord, focusing on this scale rather than just thinking A, think of the D scale and really accentuate that note. It's really a cool thing to bring in. Or base a song entirely, have a song be in the key of A, but really focus on the D chord, and you get just cool sounds out of it by focusing your melody on that. Joe Satriani does that all the time. He'll base a song in one key, but focus it on up a fourth to focus on this mode. Right. Hope this is interesting and useful to you. Again, just a nice exercise to just break out of, just show you other scales, get some other sounds happening as well, and maybe useful to you in soloing or song creation as well. So as always, let me know any questions or comments, and thanks for watching.